The Galaxy S23 series has been receiving applause from both expert and consumer. The S23 Ultra has been broken some battery life records in the high-end Android segment and came quite close to beat the iPhone. Now the device managed to do what no other Android smartphone has done over the past few years, being as fast as the latest iPhone. Apple killer chipset and tightly integrated software has long led to iPhone being a bit faster than many Android phones over the year, but in a new speed test, Samsung new Galaxy S23 Ultra pulls off a rare victory. Popular YouTube channel Phone Buff has performed the test with S23 Ultra against the iPhone 14 Pro Max to see which device came out as the fastest phone in the world right now. The test involved opening a series of apps and games and using them across two rounds. The first round is designed to see which phone has the most raw performance, while the second round of the test is to check their RAM management. As we already know that in these tests, Apple has been undefeated for a few years at this point, with most Android phones falling behind by at least few seconds. But the S23 Ultra has finally broke that streak in the first round, and the S23 Ultra speeds through opening the full list of apps and games in 1 minute and 54 seconds, while the iPhone 14 Pro Max finishes closely behind at 1 minute and 56 seconds, which is going to be a 2-second delay from the S23 Ultra. Although the first round has been won by Samsung, but the second round has been taken by iPhone 14 Pro Max, but only because of the difference in how navigation works. On Android, two swipes are required to leave full screen apps such as games, where iOS allows users to go home with just one swipe. Even with the time needed for that extra swipe, though, the S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max ended up at a tie in this test, finishing both rounds with a few seconds of each other. The speed boost we have seen here is a result of a few major upgrades Samsung has made this year. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset under the hood is Qualcomm's fastest and more efficient processor up to date, and it's paired with the UFS 4.0 storage, which is dramatically faster than what it came before. Few seconds or two isn't exactly a huge victory, but it is impressive nevertheless that Samsung was able to keep up with and actually slightly surpass the iPhone, even though Apple still win the benchmark. It's clear that Android is finally keeping up where it counts. However, Samsung may fall behind next year as Apple is expected to bring its 3nm chipset built by TSMC, while Qualcomm may stick with the TSMC 4nm technology. So guys, all in all, this is going to be a pretty good device. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.